students. I hope you will be fine and enjoying in home. Dear students, as you know that you are promoted to class prep. Wow! So I welcome you in class prep, a new class. Students, you have already learned numbers from 1 to 50. 1 to 50. Wow! In class nursery. Now you people are able to count different objects with teacher. Now let's start to count these objects. Okay, first we will count the cups. But how many cups we have? How many cups we have? Let's start to count. 1, 2. 1, 2. We have 2 cups. How many cups we have? 2 cups. 1, 2. Now we will count the clips. That how many clips we have? We have how many clips? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 clips. How many clips we have? 3 clips. Now start it again and count. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 clips. Now let's start to count the sticks. What a beautiful color of sticks. Now look at pink color, dark pink color. Now let's start to count the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 sticks. How many sticks we have? 6 sticks. Count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 sticks. Now take out your maths books. Look students, your maths book. It's new book for you. It's very beautiful and colorful. I hope you will enjoy it during study. Now open your books. Take out page number 2. Take out page number 2. Yes. Now students, look at our topic is numbers. Our topic is numbers. Yes. Right. Now the question is write the number of animals in each box. Students, look at the animals. Different kinds of animals are here. Now look at cows, giraffe, hens, chicks. What a beautiful animals are here. Okay, now come on students. Let's start with teacher to count the group of animals with the teacher and write the number in the boxes. Let's start to count the animals. We will start from cows. Look at the cows. How many cows are here? Count it. 1, 2. We have 2 cows. How many cows we have? We have 2 cows. 1, 2. 1, 2. We will write 2 in this box. Good. How students? Have you written 2 like teacher? Yes, like this. You will write 2. Now come to this form. What is this? Here are rabbits. Wow, cute rabbits. How many rabbits we have here? Here are how many rabbits? Count with teacher. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rabbits. Now you will write 3 in this box. Good. Do you write 3 like like teacher in the box? Yes, good. Now come to this form. What is here? Yes, here are hands. Look it. Hands are here. Now let's start to count the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 hands here. How many hands we have? 7 hands. Now let's start to count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 hands. Now write it here in this box. 7. Okay, now look at the giraffes. How many giraffes we have? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 giraffes. How many giraffes we have? 4 giraffes. Count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 giraffes. Now, student, you will write 4 in this box. Have you written like teacher, students? Good. Now, come here. Look at the chicks. What are the chicks doing? So small, small. Look at the chicks. Now, count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 chicks. How many chicks we have? 8 chicks. Write 8 here in this box. Now look at the lamb. Look at the lamb. She is so saddy. Look at. Yes, the lonely lamb. Standing lonely. Now, how many lambs we have? We have just only 1 lamb. How many lambs? 1 lamb. We will write 1 here. What we will write? 1. We will write in this box 1. Now come here in this form. Here is nothing. Look at nothing. If we have nothing, so it means we will write 0 here. It means we have nothing, and nothing means 0. We will write number 0 in this box. Have you written 0 in this box? Good. Now, students, we have finished our page. Now, one time you will count again the animals with teacher. Now, look at how many cows we have. 1, 2. 2 cows. How many rabbits we have? We have 3 rabbits. 1, 2, 3. 3 rabbits. How many hens we have? We have 7 hens. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hens. How many giraffes we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 giraffes. How many lambs we have? Only 1 lamb. How many lamb? Only 1 lamb. Yes. Now, how many chicks we have? 8 chicks. How many chicks? 8 chicks. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chicks. And here is nothing. So what? What is here? 0. 0 means nothing. Okay, student. Now, tell to your teacher that how many hands you have. How many hands do you have? And how many ears do you have? And how many lips do you have? And students, you will also tell me that how many fingers you have, and then send to the teacher your answer on WhatsApp. Thank you. Okay, my dear and cute students, I prepare one worksheet for you people. So, you will also take out one notebook of maths and prepare your homework page for yourself, like teacher. Now look at, first you will draw the margin line on both sides. One margin line you will draw on this side and one margin line you will draw on other side, like teacher, and you will draw it with ruler. Okay, now students, you will also write here maths, spelling of maths, M-A-T-H-S, maths. Then you will write homework. It's your homework, so you will write here homework, and you will write here date. You will put the date, but you will ask from your parents that what date you will put here. Okay, students, now come to the next line. Here you will write W-R-I-T-E, write. It's your question, so you will write counting from 1 to 10. Write counting from 1 to 10. Good. Then you will left one line here. And then you will start counting from here. You will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What will you write? You will write counting from 1 to 10. Then you will write it again. 2 times you will write counting from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. When you finish your counting, then what will you draw? You will draw the finishing line like teacher. What will you draw? Finishing line like teacher. Good. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.